subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Nokia C12 back in January this year, the company has now launched the higher variant of it in India as Nokia C12 Pro. And although it looks similar to Nokia C12 smartphone, but it has some minor changes in terms of specifications. Now let's see the specifications of the Nokia C12 Pro smartphone. The Nokia C12 Pro supports a 6.3-inch HD+ IPS display with a large 20:1 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone features a single 8-megapixel camera on the rear, including LED flash. Under the hood, the Nokia C12 Pro comes powered by Uni-SoC SE9863A1 chipset, paired with 2 or 3 GB of RAM that can be extended up to 2 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 GB of onboard storage with microSD expansion support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 and a Core edition, and it is equipped by a large 4000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone is IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro-USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.6 by 74.3 by 8.8mm. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Nokia C12 Pro has been priced in India for 2GB plus 64GB storage variant at 6,999 Indian rupees, while the 3GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 7,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in charcoal, light mint, and dark cyan color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia C12 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog tips and for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.